What's up, everybody? Hey, this is Danny with my Fig Sticks, and we just got in some new Fig Sticks. These came from FigBid. They are from Antonio, the FigFather, on FigBid. Look him up. He's Italian for you. That's the number 4 and the letter U. Italian for you on FigBid. I just got these in. I'm super excited about these Fig Sticks. So let's do an unpackaging. Let's see what we got. Okay, before we jump in, I just have to say a huge thank you to Antonio. Kind of had a snafu with PayPal. Anyway, long story short, Antonio was super patient. We joked around a lot during the process. PayPal finally got it figured out. It was actually between the bank and PayPal and had nothing to do with me nor Antonio. But I really appreciate you, Antonio, for being so patient and going ahead and shipping these. Fantastic. Everything went through. Finally, PayPal, the bank figured it out. But let's get this open and see what we have inside. So y'all are gonna see me do this real time. Y'all, I'm so excited about this. I got some neat varieties. FigFather turned me on to some cool varieties to check out. So here's my list. Let's just see what all we have. First off, packaged very well, wrapped up in damp paper towels. Wow, what all do we have? Y'all, I'm just gonna tell you, I'm probably gonna mispronounce 90% of these. I don't think Smith is one of them, so that was my best hope. So first off, got a couple of Chipola, I think is how you pronounce that. So these paper towels are pretty damp. They have wax on them. So some of the wax is coming off on these, but whoo, those are pretty. Wow. The wax is still staying on the ends. It just flaked off of the edges. What is this one? Irene's Black Greek. So Irene's Black Greek. Let's see. Y'all, it's really cold out here. I'm probably gonna sniff. I'm sorry, I apologize. Holy mackerel, look at this cutting, y'all. Good grief. Can y'all see that? Again, it's cold. Some of the wax is flaking off, but not on the top. We're good. I'm gonna re-wax them anyway. The tops of these are waxed very well. Y'all, that is absolutely massive. So cool. This is like a Mike Kincaid almost. Wow, that is so neat. Let's see what else we got. I feel like it's Christmas. All right, this one is a Black Celeste, y'all. This is one I'm kind of excited about. I just really saw it and got pretty excited about it. Again, waxed very well, both ends waxed. Very pretty cuttings. Very excited about the Black Celeste. Let's see what else we have in here. This one is, whew, I got to move the sunglasses. This is one that FigFather told me I had to get. Y'all, this is a San Daniel. Supposed to be a super neat fig. Don't know much about it. Eddie told me, hey, you got to get the San Daniel. It's an up-and-comer, so beautiful cutting there. I think I actually got 4 of these San Daniels, which I did. Let's see what else we have in here. This is another big, thick cutting. I don't remember what this one is. JR. Oh, the Jolly Rancher. How could I not know what JR is? So the Jolly Rancher, and I think I got 4 of those as well. So a couple of these cuttings are going to go to a buddy of mine, but Jolly Rancher, the San Daniel, Black Celeste, Chipola. Where is that massive one? Y'all, this is crazy. This Irene's Black Greek is absolutely massive. Super cool. Y'all, again, a big shout out to Antonio for his patience with the whole process between PayPal and the bank and all of that. I'll tell you what I did. I placed an order, and then about an hour later, I came back and placed a second order. PayPal or the bank, something thought that was fishy. And so there was some confusion there. They all got it worked out. All that said, Thank you, Antonio, for your patience. Thank you for these cuttings. These things are super. I am very excited to get them started. Hey, y'all look up Antonio on FigBid, Italian for you. That's the number 4, the letter U. So check him out. Hey, thanks, Antonio, the FigFather. You did me right. Hey, everybody, Fig Addiction's a real thing. Join the Figolution. Thanks for watching. What is up, everybody? Hey, check it out. I just got some new Fig Sticks in. These came from FigBid. Antonio, the FigFather, Italian for you. That's terrible.